Move them along to the holding pens. This one is clear for transport. Tag its ear. Got it. Loading onto the truck now. Trucks are here! Clear the bays! Rims down, down, down! Flank looks clear. Let's check the neck.
Pulse is steady. It's ready for stage 2.
Hide sample prepped, moving to tanning. Good. Let's tag the next one. Collect the hides from the racks and load them onto the line. Transferring to the conveyor now. Keep it moving. Aligning it for the next stage. The deherring machines are processing the hides at full speed.
Watch the blades. They need to be sharp for this batch.
Quality is excellent. These will make durable bags. These tanks are where the magic begins. We break down the raw buffalo hides to prepare the fibers for tanning. Inside the massive buffalo leather laptop bag factory, enormous rotating tanning drums transform buffalo hides into durable leather while factory machinery runs non-stop. This one's ready for drying, no flaws. Got it. Taking it to the chamber. Shelves full, grabbing the next one. The drying process is running at full capacity today. You can see the moisture evaporating as it passes through. This ensures the leather is perfectly conditioned for our premium bags.
Inside the massive buffalo leather laptop bag factory, giant polishing machines enhance the natural grain texture and premium appearance of buffalo leather.
Let's start by checking the thickness and grain.
This one has a smooth texture and a perfect luxury finish.
Agreed. The strength and finish are both excellent.
We're creating the bag template. The computer will generate the cutting pattern.
Perfect. The software is ready.
Let's review the pattern. It looks good. Starting the cut.
Spray application complete. Layers are aligned.
Good bond strength. Proceed to stitching.
Insert the foam padding here for protection. Now, attach the organizer pockets to the sides. Good. Let's close it and check the fit. It looks secure and ready.
Handles aligned, starting the stitch. Stitching complete, straps ready.
Riveting now. Looks secure.
Good, next bag.
Inside the factory, skilled workers apply a protective coating to our buffalo leather bags.
This spray makes the leather water resistant. After spraying, a cloth buffs the surface, enhancing durability.